It's the holiday season and I'm excited to show you the most exotic property in Lekki Phase 1 right now. Join me on this tour, let's go. Now this is a 6-bedroom with a very large swimming pool, a private cinema, and the most lovely jacuzzi in the masters. You'll definitely love this one. Let's go. Now, as soon as you step in, you're welcome with this very gigantic armor door with this automotive system right here, which you can use a fingerprint or you can use a code system or an access card to gain access into your own private space, which assures you of high level of security. And right here we have this double volume living room. You can see the very high ceiling that we have here, a very gigantic chandelier as well. This living room is actually very spacious, and you can also have a very nice aesthetic finishing and furnishing to this space in order to make it really luxurious. And right here you have your well-fitted kitchen, which has every single thing you like. And definitely I love this very spacious island top where you can have like a family dining and also have every other thing you need right here. So you have lots of cabinetries, which is definitely one thing I love about this home. You have your microwave and oven and also a double door refrigerator right here. And you have your extractor and burner top. And likewise, you have your wash and basin right here. Then you have your storeroom here where you can store your edibles, and also you can actually store your inverter system right here. So this is a very lovely and spacious kitchen space right here. So let's go upstairs. So right here, you have the first floor where you first have the lounge. This is the family lounge where you can have like another furnishing right here for your family space. Then also we have 3 rooms on this floor. We have a box room and an office space right on this floor. Let me show you one of the rooms in this floor. It is very lovely. You definitely love this one. Now, so you can see this very lovely room on the first floor. Now note, this is not the masters and it is this spacious. You can see the minimalistic design for the POP and the very quality tile, which actually rhymes well with the other tiles in the other rooms. And right here, you have the walk-in closet for this particular room, which is actually very nice. And you also have your toilet and bath. You can see how spacious this is for just one of the rooms in this 6-bedroom duplex. It is actually very lovely. So now on this floor, we have 2 rooms and the private cinema. I'm very much excited about the master, so I'm going to show you that last. So let's show you the madam's room. Now this is the madam's room. You can see the wardrobe and how spacious this is. You definitely will love this one. Now you can also see the toilet and bath right here and the water heater. Everything is well equipped, well fitted, and the finishing is also very neatly done. Now let's check out the private cinema. Now you can see. So right here you can have about 8 people seated here to watch, your private shows and movies right here. It is actually lovely. Then you have a balcony here. So this is just another balcony where you can actually really chill out in your space. Now let's go check my most favorite part of this house, which is the masters. Now you're welcome to the masters. Very spacious masters with also very lovely finishing. The POP design is very minimalistic, and also you have like this area with a wallpaper where you can have like a very large TV console or TV area right here. And also you have a dedicated walk-in closet. It is exquisite. Like, I don't know how many clothes you have, but trust me, it will definitely be able to accommodate every single thing. Then all your edibles, like your luxury wristwatch and whatnot, can be stored up in here. You have lots of storage space right here for all your accessories. It is very lovely, and you have two entrances or exits from your walk-in closet, either from this angle or from the under angle. Now let's take a look at the lovely toilet and bath area with the jacuzzi. Now you can see right here you have this entrance that leads directly into this spacious area, and this is where you have your jacuzzi. You can see how luxury this looks like. And also, if you step down here, you have your double vanity here with your storage spaces. You have your toilet seats right here as well, and you have this lovely shower area. So in this particular area, you can see it is fully dedicated for your shower area, and as well as having this very tall shower head or rain shower head that is hanging directly on the ceiling. Like, you have definitely not seen this before in any other property, so which is one of the things that make this property very unique and exquisite. And I personally love the idea of having this jacuzzi right here. It is definitely one of a kind. Then finally, you have this balcony where you can definitely have a gaze at the whole environment. This is Lekki Phase 1, one of the most exquisite areas that you definitely want to live. You can see how serene the environment is, how quiet. You are in a very quiet neighborhood. Now this is definitely a place you want to raise your family. You want to actually network with great set of people as well in the society. Now, it is a must-have property for you. It is definitely a must-have property for you. If you're interested in this property, ensure you call me. My name is Adiola Sanusi. I am the best real estate guide in Africa, bringing you the best deals in Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you very much for your time. Cheers.